In this video, we'll be going over how to apply convolutional filters over a time domain audio source. So this one will not be going into frequency domain. Convolutional filters have their own bonuses compared to frequency domain filters, though they are not as precise in filtering out specific frequency ranges as are frequency domain filters. Now, to start off, let's first import NumPy, matplotlib, and scipy's wavefile function libraries. So we can use the wavefile.read function to read in our audio file. And we'll also add the functionality to write out our audio file and display time domain data. Now, in order to create a ideal low-pass filter that would convolve over an audio source in time domain, we have to create an array of ones that is the length of the filter that we want to create. So a larger filter filters more, and the smaller filter filters less. And the sum under our filter has to always be 1. Otherwise, it will multiply the volume of the audio source itself. And then we can use NumPy's convol function to apply the filter. Here you can see both the time domain data as well as a representation of the filter itself.